Hello, Chef Marcus Guiliano here. I'm your chef on a mission. Today's mission is food fraud. I got a restaurant here that I feel has continuously misled people for years on the wild versus farm salmon. They're mislabeling their farm salmon as wild salmon. It's a place called Little Rascals Steakhouse, Little Rascal Cafe and Bar, Little Rascal Steakhouse. Yeah, they're just not. I've called them for at least 2-3 years. A couple times a year, and I've just explained to them, I keep explaining to them what the deal is with wild salmon when it's in season, and they swear to me that they only have wild salmon. They swear they buy it fresh every day of the year, 365 days a year, for all the year round, and that's impossible, folks. Wild salmon is not in season year round fresh. If you're buying it from November to May, it's always frozen typically, unless there's a small pocket being caught somewhere like, Russia. In fact, like 2 Christmases ago, I saw a wild Russian like coho salmon in like ShopRite, and I was shocked. I was like, whoa, what in the world is this? And yeah, they had a pocket of this stuff open from Russia, and they shipped it over. However, that's very, very, very uncommon. A lot of these restaurants are indeed serving farm salmon. They're calling it wild salmon. It's so misleading. Farm salmon is very toxic. It's polluting the environment. It kills off the wild fish. There's so many things wrong with it. If you want to know everything that's wrong with wild salmon, go to my nofarmsalmon.com website, and you will see a lot of things. Google Department of Wild Salmon. You'll reach Alex Morton's website, and she has a ton of information about the detriments of farm salmon to the environment, to the killer whales, to everything in the environment, how farm salmon is killing off the wild salmon. And yet you have chefs like this one at that Little Rascal Steakhouse that keeps insisting that they're serving you wild salmon. I wouldn't trust it, and I wouldn't order it personally. Knowing what I know as a professional chef, I kind of got to think there's some food fraud going on there. I'm Chef Marcus Guiliano. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Send me an email. Leave a comment of a place that you want me to investigate, and I will call them and hopefully bust them.